All right, so it's Sunday, and I'm just going over back testing my A plus setup. So we're on the starting off on the 1 hour chart, and we have break of structure. Oops, actually, a change of character here. So that means we have a order block here on the 1 hour, which is pink. We did have a gap that's being filled, or it was just filled. So at this point, we're just waiting for a price. I would like to see it come up to the order block area. We're below the 200 moving average. So overall, we are bearish. So we're going to keep it on the 1 hour. And usually I will have an alert. Okay, so we've reached the order block. So we have tapped into that area. I'm going to mark up the 1 hour low. And then we're going to drop down to the 5 minute. All right, so now that we touched the area on the 1 hour, we are now looking for the 5 minute to show bullish structure. Right now we are still bullish. So we want to break a structure, preferably here or wherever we create more structure. Okay, we're still making highs. Okay, now it did break this structure. Change of character. Five-minute order block. And we have gap here. So here I want to see it. I just want to see a reversal pattern either in the gap area once it fills the gap or in the order block area. All right, so broke structure again. It's not a high probable. Well, now it is. All right. So we had a gap here that filled on that next candle. So right here, I like this candlestick formation. And that's all I'm really looking for. So we're going to go ahead and sell. And we're going short. Stop loss above the pattern. And we're going to look for, let me see. I look forward to go below this at this low. And take profit. I do want to see how long it'll take to get to the 1 hour low though. Hmm, nice. This is why we back test. So yeah, repetition is the key. Keep seeing those setups. Take nothing but those high probable setups, depending on what you're doing, I guess. But um, yeah, every day I'm pretty much going to be just showing you guys what I'm doing when I'm back testing because I back test every single day. And week by week, I go over different parts of my strategies to try to perfect it as much as I can. So, yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video.